If you're pregnant and plan to give birth at the county's only obstetrics facility, those plans will now have to be altered. Obstetrics staff at Lakeshore Hospital were notified this week that all childbirth services will be suspended after tomorrow. Hospital officials cite the number of nurses remaining in the childbirth unit will not be enough to continue offering planned inpatient childbirth services after July 31st. This announcement comes 1 month before Community Health Systems plan to opt out of its lease with the Lakeshore Hospital Authority Board. The move leaves patients with at least an hour to drive to Valdosta, Jacksonville, Tallahassee, or Gainesville for labor and delivery services. Proposals from hospital providers to take over the facility lease are due on Monday of next week. Authority Director Dale Williams says he is optimistic a new healthcare provider can be found. Negotiations are underway as the City of Lake City and the Lake City Firefighters Union seek agreement on a new contract set to take effect on October 1st. The city presented its first counter-proposal this week, which would alter leave policies, enhance requirements for promotion, and make adjustments to scheduled pay increases. Austin Thomas, a Lake City fire driver engineer who represents the union, argued that the city's plan does little to address stagnant wages that are preventing the department from being competitive. The city cited budgetary constraints for the lack of salary increases, but said they welcome a further counterproposal from the union as the process continues. The two parties are scheduled to meet again at 10 a.m. on Monday to review the union's response to the city's latest offer. The work at the Columbia County Charter Review Committee officially wrapped up at a public hearing last Friday. The result is that voters will be able to decide on 4 changes to the charter, including removing the ability of department heads to appeal employment termination to the commission, placing a requirement in the charter for the board to do a yearly performance review of the county manager, require the county commission adopt a code of ethics for the board, county employees, and those serving on county advisory boards. And the last is a change that prohibits spending surplus funds for anything not intended in the budget process. Each of these proposed charter changes will appear on the November ballot. An additional initiative approved by the commission allows citizens to vote on a straw ballot, non-binding referendum on the consolidation of county and Lake City governments. The commission also made recommendations to county leaders, such as reviewing the county's administrative code every year, suggesting harsh penalties for county employees involved in multiple accidents using county vehicles, and restricting commissioners' participation on county advisory boards. These recommendations may or may not be implemented. From the Lake City Bureau, Mike McKee, Florida Gateway College for TV 20 News.